My name is Liam Mahon, and I am the founder of CarbonBlack Technology. So at CarbonBlack Technology, we produce advanced projection solutions, and one of those solutions is about the framing and structuring of large-scale projection. You know, we've all been using aluminum systems, and they're heavy and quite laborious to work with. What we're doing is we're doing American-made carbon fiber composite frames. This stuff is very high-tech, but actually very practical too. You're going to see that all that carbon fiber weave in there, that's beautiful stuff, but it's actually 7 times lighter than aluminum and about 6.5 times more rigid and stronger, and it will not warp under any heat. Very, very transportable and logistics friendly. And we manufacture this into different systems, and what you're going to see here is our carbon fiber fast fold. So it's all toolless, so one person can put this together themselves. This is an 11 foot by 7 foot screen. And you're going to see it coming, the frame will just snap out with a hinge system that's all integral to the frame. So the hinge mechanism is protected by the carbon fiber, and when it clicks together like that, you're ready to go. And it is incredible because there's nothing to catch on, easy to work with, and you just get these little guys, screw them in, and you're off to the races. That allows you to do your productions so much more efficiently, lighter, and transport this stuff at a dime compared to what you were paying before. So you can reach and find more information on this product at our website, carbonblack.technology, or come to Hollywood, California, and feel the weight of these things yourself. 36 pounds, a lot better than 192 pounds. All right, thanks.